Hello friends, I am Sajesh. Welcome back to Learn and Live channel. In this video, I am discussing about the main components and the function of the AC refrigeration products. Vapor compression method, which is widely used in today's AC refrigeration products. The important components of a vapor compression system are compressor, condenser, filter dryer, refrigerant controller device or expansion device, evaporator or cooling coil. The entire system consists a cooling medium known as refrigerant. Compressor. Compressor is known as the heart of the AC refrigeration system. Compress means to press, to squeeze or to apply pressure. The function of the compressor is to receive refrigerant at low pressure, low temperature vapor state. Then compress and convert it to a high pressure, high temperature vapor and continuously discharge towards the condenser. Condenser. The function of the condenser is to convert compressed vapor refrigerant to liquid refrigerant. These coils are made up of copper, aluminum, iron pipes. Filter dryer. Filter dryer works by refining the refrigerant from moisture and dust particles. Refrigerant controller device or expansion device controls the pressure and volume of the liquid refrigerant to enter the evaporator coil. In other words, expansion device controls the flow of the liquid refrigerant. Evaporator. It consists coils of pipe in which the liquid refrigerant at low pressure and low temperature is evaporated by absorbing latent heat from the air and convert into low pressure, low temperature vapor refrigerant. With the help of a diagram, let us see how the AC refrigeration system works. The compressor receives low pressure, low temperature refrigerant from suction side and compress and convert it to a high pressure, high temperature vapor, which discharges towards condenser and it flows through the condenser coil by leaving the sensible heat to reach condensing point. Then it transfers latent heat of condensation to surrounding air, which converts it into liquid refrigerant. This process took place with the help of a condenser fan. This liquid refrigerant passes through the filter dryer to get purified. The expansion device controls the pressure and volume of purified liquid refrigerant to enter into the evaporator. Due to the low pressure design of the evaporator, the low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant absorbs latent heat of vaporization from surrounding areas and takes place the evaporation of liquid refrigerant. Due to this process, the temperature will drop and cool the surrounding areas of the evaporator. The low temperature, low pressure refrigerant vapor return back to the compressor and the same process will continue. This process is called as the AC refrigeration cycle. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.